in English.
For February 8th. Next is what is IT system? IT system for connect part of the graduate system to ground. Purpose is check how well ground system work and for confirm our system safely handle for current. Then for the procedures, first we need to find off the rust at the board. Then from the meter tester, we need to put the thin wire first and put at the reset rod. And for the we need to use a red cable, a set cable, and we need to use a 10 meter. Then we start use a yellow color to measure 10%, 20%. In this slide we use until 60%. Okay, in 10% too we use 1.5 meter. Then 20% is 3 meter. Then we repeat the same step to do parallel 2. In parallel 2 we just add the from the electrode that have a ground to another electrode. Then for parallel 3 we also add another green cable. And we repeat the same step to get the reading for the parallel 10% until 60%.
For the result, there are three major results, which is one rod, one adding rod, two adding rod, and three adding rod. As you can see here, if we use one adding rod, the value is high compared to others. It's around 300. If we use two adding rod, the value will decrease. It's around 80 to 90 something. And then it will increase if after we add another rod. As you can see here, the value of resistance is increased while the distance between the adding rod until the measuring point increase. For this one, it maybe have
Don't use maybe.
some error for measurement. It will not a good value.
Just for discussion for series rod, this combination is simple to implement less but less effective in maintaining low resistance grounding system. Large distance in areas with exposed low conductivity suitable for basic application where high precision is not required. For environment, more effective in maintaining low resistance, making ideal for critical application like high performance electrical system, and offer enhanced reliability and safety by reducing the likelihood of grounding failure. Basically, you can enhance the grounding by using jet grounding enhancement method. For conclusion, for this single rod in series, the longer distance from host to system cause higher measurement resistance. Single grounding rod provide a singular path for current to flow into the rest. As the distance increase, the resistance increase due to the higher resistivity of the cell.
Why don't you include the things that what you have done last week? Last week you notice that you can improve the grounding by having multiple grounding connecting in parallel, right? So you didn't show. That should be included in your discussion.
Okay.
You already mentioned GEM. Yes, of course, we have some discussion last week. But most importantly, the slide must related to what we have done last week. Remember? Now, can you go to the first slide? That one. Yes, that one. Can we use multimeter to measure grounding resistance?
Tinggi sangat.
Hmm?
No. Good.
No. Why?
The meter tester will inject the voltage of the current.
Too
Now,
high.
now question. Now, why we can use multimeter to measure grounding resistance measurement?
Too high.
Inject
Hmm?
current or voltage.
Too high sangat ke?
Because multimeter can only measure only a certain limitation, only a certain conductor. But unfortunately, multimeter unable to provide a voltage, a current in such way that you can exactly measure the resistance. Understand? If I ask you, can you show clearly how you measure the current, the resistance using meter? Yes, show me clearly.
No.
Show me clearly.
Oh.
Only things about three
Three
point.
point.
3 point. Then how it measure the resistance. No, you don't have to make a detail. Very simple. How you can get R? Now you have 3 point. Then how you get R?
The yellow color 10%.
Don't think about 10%. Only simple. Only simple things.
Macam mana tu?
This is ground.
Okay.
Measure rod and current. So current 50 amp.
Now what things that you fix in your system?
Current.
Fix current.
Current.
And then fix
Ground.
voltage. Ground.
Voltage.
Because why? Because you fix to 50 ohm.
50 ohm.
Yes, 50 volt.
50 volt.
The only difference is about R with respect to relationship R with respect to distance, length. So then how you measure? So where is the potential? Which terminal? Must have male and female. Where is it? No, this is a current.
This one.
Male and female must have positive and negative. Yes, correct. And then, how current come into picture? How current provide a significant value that you can measure the R?
Current. Significant value.
Macam mana current tu boleh bantu kamu untuk mengukuhkan lagi pengukuran R kamu ni? Now you inject pulse. Pulse momentarily. Dia seketika. Dia bukan continuous. Dia seketika saja. Macam lightning. Sama benda ni macam lightning. Sama je konsep dia. Dia bagi pulse. Psst. Kemudian dia akan induce. Current ni akan induce. Maksudnya antara 2 point ni. Terus sekarang ni I ni akan ada some portion ni akan flow in between. So ini ialah basically kamu punya resistor. Itulah kedapatannya. Dapatlah value R. Kalau saya tanya betul-betul berapa nilai ni? Itulah yang kamu dapat. Itulah dia.
Itu yang kita measure.
Boleh faham? Itu maksud dia. Okay. Clear, Clear. Then, itu cara dia. So, lengkapkan. Tak ada dekat dalam tu.
Okay.
Lengkapkan yang tu. Lepas tu, next. I ask the same question. This is the final one. Now, you imagine, basically we are working under constraint. Now, we think on how to improve the existence of grounding system. Basically, we think on that. Now, this is the original, which is single 380 yen. This is the best lah. Now, you have connect to 2 points. So by having this, by having this, then you can get 72.5 kan. So imagine in this boundary, you are working in this boundary. So you plan to improve to ensure that it can get less than 10. So how you can do it? Think on this. Balik rumah fikir macam mana nak buat. Macam mana? Konsep tak lari. Multiple grounding. Jangan tap dekat sini, tap dekat sini, tap dekat sini, fikirkan. Now, saya bagi satu contoh. Think you have extra, which this at this particular point you may have 75 ohm. So if 75 ohm here is 72, so means that now you have already parallel. Overall here is 72, right? So 1 divided by 72.5 plus 1 over 75. Calculate. Berapa dapat? Magic tak? Magic tak? Okay, think how many poles kita nak pastikan dia lowered less than 10. Ni baru dapat 3. Nampak inilah yang calculator buat. Sama. Konsep dia sama. Nak pastikan dia less than 10. Inilah practical ni. Memang ini kerja dia buat. Ini dia buat. So saya bukan menghukum cara saya nak mengajar supaya kamu boleh improve dan kamu boleh fikir secara macam mana sebenarnya. Ini. Faham? So tolong improvekan, pastikan add dalam slide ni. Dan hantar sebelum pukul
12. Okay.
Ada apa soalan? Tak ada. Balik. Okay lah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sama,